Transform your hiring process from chaos to confidence with a proven system that attracts, evaluates, and retains exceptional restaurant talent. The restaurant industry faces unique and persistent hiring challenges, with an average annual turnover rate often exceeding 75% for many positions. Finding and keeping reliable staff is a constant uphill battle. Owners frequently grapple with a limited talent pool, intense competition, and the time-consuming nature of recruitment, all while trying to maintain high standards of service. This instability can lead to burnout for existing staff and a significant drain on operational efficiency. High employee turnover isn't just a headache, it's a major financial burden. The cost of replacing an employee, including recruitment advertising, interviewing, onboarding, and training, can range from thousands to tens of thousands of dollars per position. Beyond direct costs, there's the intangible impact on team morale, consistency of service, and ultimately customer satisfaction and your restaurant's reputation. Common hiring mistakes such as vague job descriptions, rushed interviews, poor cultural fit assessment, and a lack of structured onboarding only exacerbate these issues. Before embarking on any recruitment drive, a clear and comprehensive understanding of your specific staffing requirements is paramount. This foundational step prevents reactive hiring, reduces turnover, and ensures you attract candidates who truly fit your operational needs and organizational culture. Assessing current staffing gaps and conducting staffing audits. Begin by performing a thorough staffing audit. This involves evaluating your current team against your operational demands. Look beyond just headcount. Consider skill sets, performance levels, and roles. Role definition. Clearly define each role's responsibilities, required skills, and key performance indicators, KPIs. Workload analysis. Track employee hours, tasks completed, and areas of bottleneck or excessive overtime. Are your existing staff consistently overworked or struggling to meet service standards? Performance review. Identify areas where additional support or specialized skills could improve efficiency or customer satisfaction. Feedback collection. Solicit input from current staff and management regarding workload distribution, challenges, and potential staffing needs. Analyzing workflow patterns. Restaurant operations are rarely static. Understanding your peak hours, busy days, and service styles, dine-in, takeout, delivery, catering, is critical for optimizing staffing levels. Peak times. Analyze sales data and customer flow to identify consistent busy periods, example, lunch rush or weekend dinners. Service models. Consider how different service channels impact staffing. A surge in delivery orders might require more kitchen or expediting staff, while a full dining room demands more front-of-house presence. Operational flow. Map out your kitchen and front-of-house workflows. Where do bottlenecks occur? Where could additional staff improve speed and quality of service? Front of house. Servers, hosts, bartenders, and managers create the guest experience and drive customer satisfaction. Back of house. Executive chef, sous chef, line cooks, prep cooks, and dishwashers form the culinary backbone of your operation. Tailored approach. Customize roles to match your restaurant's size, style, and concept. There's no universal template. The impact of precision. Clear role definitions lead to targeted hiring, better candidate alignment, and reduced turnover costs. When you know exactly what you need, you can find exactly who fits, saving time, money, and training resources. Fine dining example. Requires servers with extensive wine knowledge, formal service training, and refined communication skills. Casual dining example. Needs energetic multitaskers who thrive in fast-paced environments and connect warmly with diverse guests. Cost savings. Avoid expensive mishires by defining exact skills, experience levels, and personality traits up front.
A well-crafted job description is more than just a list of tasks. It's your first conversation with potential talent. Learn how to create descriptions that not only inform, but also inspire and attract the right candidates. 1. Understand your target audience. Before writing, define your ideal candidate. Consider their skills and experience. What are the non-negotiables? Career goals. What motivates them? Growth, impact, stability. Work environment preference. Do they thrive in fast-paced or structured settings? Pain points. What are they looking to avoid in their next role? Tailoring your language to resonate with this audience is key to drawing in relevant applicants. 2. Write compelling headlines and introductions. Your job title and the opening paragraph are critical. They determine if a candidate reads further. Be specific and clear. Senior software engineer AI/ML platform is better than software guru. Highlight the opportunity. Instead of just a title, hint at growth or impact. Craft a hook. The first few sentences should sell the role and your company's mission. Skip the jargon. Use clear, conversational language that describes daily tasks and real expectations, not corporate buzzwords. Showcase your culture. Highlight what makes your restaurant special. Team events, growth opportunities, flexible scheduling, or unique perks. Craft compelling examples. Join our fast-paced kitchen as a line cook. Passion for quality food and teamwork required. We invest in our people. Multi-channel approach. Local job boards and community sites. Social media platforms, such as Instagram, Facebook. Industry-specific hiring platforms. Employee referral programs. Restaurant associations and networks. Mobile applications. Job seekers who apply via mobile-friendly applications optimize for mobile to increase candidate flow. Referral quality. Employee referral programs generate candidates who stay 3 times longer than other sources. Effectively screening and interviewing candidates is crucial for building a strong, reliable restaurant team. This chapter provides a comprehensive guide to identifying top talent, asking the right questions, and making informed hiring decisions. 1. Pre-screening strategies and phone, video interviews. Before committing to in-person interviews, utilize pre-screening to filter out unsuitable candidates and save time. Application review. Thoroughly check applications for relevant experience, consistent work history, and required certifications such as a food handler permit. Quick phone screen. Conduct brief 10 to 15-minute phone calls to assess communication skills, confirm availability, verify key experience, and gauge initial enthusiasm. Ask 2 to 3 essential questions to quickly qualify or disqualify. Short video interview. For top prospects, consider a brief 5 to 10-minute video interview. This allows you to assess their professional presentation, nonverbal cues, and ability to follow instructions, especially for roles requiring direct customer interaction. 2. Structured interview questions specific to restaurant roles. Develop a consistent set of questions for each role to ensure fairness and effective comparison between candidates. General service questions like, how do you handle working in a fast-paced environment? Or describe your understanding of excellent customer service. Role-specific questions. Servers, how would you upsell a daily special? Describe your experience with POS systems. Cooks or chefs, what is your experience with inventory management? How do you ensure food safety and hygiene? Bartenders, what are your go-to classic cocktail recipes? How do you manage a busy bar section? Availability and flexibility. Clearly discuss required shifts, weekend work, and holidays. Adaptability. Look for candidates who demonstrate flexibility and quick thinking in changing situations. Communication skills.
Strong communicators prevent mistakes, build rapport with guests, and work seamlessly with teams. Grace under pressure. Test how candidates handle stress. Ask about challenging situations and observe trial shift performance. The trial shift advantage. Trial shifts reveal real skills and teamwork abilities that resumes can't capture. Watch how candidates interact with your team, handle unexpected challenges, and maintain quality under pressure. Ask cuisine-specific and service-style questions to ensure knowledge alignment. Treat as future team members. Every applicant is a potential employee and brand ambassador. Make interactions memorable for the right reasons. Show hospitality. Offer water, start interviews on time, provide a tour, and showcase your restaurant's unique atmosphere and culture. Build your brand. A great interview experience builds your employer reputation and attracts top-tier talent through word of mouth. The way you treat candidates during the interview process tells them exactly how you'll treat them as employees. Hiring and effective onboarding are critical foundational steps not just for filling roles, but for building a resilient, high-performing team. A well-designed hiring process attracts the right talent, and a strategic onboarding program ensures new hires feel welcomed, supported, and engaged from day one, significantly impacting long-term retention and overall team success. Creating welcoming first days. The first few days set the tone for a new employee's experience. Ensure everything is in place to make them feel valued and prepared. Prepared workstation. Have their uniform, name tag, necessary tools, and a clean, organized workspace ready before they arrive. Smooth paperwork. Complete as much administrative work as possible beforehand or simplify the process. Team introductions. Facilitate introductions to key team members and management, explaining everyone's role. Welcome kit. Provide a small welcome kit with essential information, a brief schedule for their first week, and perhaps some restaurant merchandise. First day schedule. A clear, structured schedule for the first day prevents overwhelm and provides a sense of direction. Building team culture from day one. Onboarding is an opportunity to immerse new hires in your restaurant's unique culture and values. Value immersion. Clearly communicate the mission, vision, and core values of the restaurant. Share stories that exemplify the culture. Social integration. Encourage informal interactions like team lunches or coffee breaks to help new hires connect with colleagues. Feedback channels. Establish early and regular check-ins to gather feedback from new hires, showing their opinions matter. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate their initial contributions, no matter how small, to build confidence in belonging. Compensation strategy. Research local market rates and offer fair, competitive pay that reflects experience and role complexity. Include benefits that matter to restaurant workers. Transparent communication. Be upfront about schedules, shift expectations, advancement opportunities, and workplace culture from day one. Growth pathways. Outline clear career progression routes from line cook to sous chef or server to manager to inspire long-term commitment. Week 1. Foundation. Provide comprehensive training plans covering safety, systems, menu knowledge, and restaurant standards. Week 2 through 4. Practice. Pair new hires with experienced mentors for hands-on learning, feedback, and confidence building. Ongoing. Development. Encourage autonomy, recognize achievements, and provide continuous learning opportunities to boost morale. Retention secret. Employees who receive structured onboarding and mentorship are 58% more likely to remain with your restaurant after 3 years. Applicant Tracking Systems, ATS. Restaurant-specific ATS platforms keep your hiring process organized, efficient, and scalable, even during peak hiring seasons. Post to multiple boards. Distribute job listings across dozens of platforms with a single click, maximizing reach while minimizing effort. Track candidates. Monitor applicant progress, store interview notes, and collaborate with your hiring team in one centralized system. Communicate efficiently. Send automated updates, schedule interviews, and maintain professional candidate relationships effortlessly.
Strategic foundation. Hiring is your restaurant's foundation. Invest time, strategy, and resources up front to build a stable, talented team. Proven system. Clear role definitions, authentic job ads, thoughtful interviews, and strong onboarding create the formula for lower turnover. Your next step. Your next great team is just a system away. Start implementing these strategies today and hire smarter, not harder. Transform your hiring today.